Hello friends, today our topic is the row matrix and the column matrix. In the previous videos already we have described about row matrix and column matrix. So today we are describing the row matrix and the column matrix elaborately. If an m cross n matrix, if m is equal to 1, now we know that m cross n matrix means the first one is denoted the number of row and the second one n is denoted the number of column. So m is equal to 1, that means the number of row is equal to 1. The matrix is said to be a row matrix. That means if a matrix have only one row, then it is called the row matrix. What are the example of row matrix? Look at the first one. Here, using the third bracket, we are describing the row matrix. Now, 7 and 5 are two different elements. So, the number of columns are here 2. But number of row 1. So, the order is 1 cross 2. The order of the above matrix is 1 cross 2. Only one row. So, that is a row matrix. The second example here, number of column is equal to 3 and that those are elements are 1, 4, 7, but number of row is 1. So the order is 1 cross 3. The order of the above matrix is 1 cross 3. So that is a row matrix. The third one example, once again, here number of columns are 4. So we may write it 1 cross 4 because the number of row is only 1. So that is also a row matrix and the order is 1 cross 4. In the next example, number of column is 1, 3, 0, 2, 5. That means 5 number of columns. So we may write it the above order of the matrix as 1 cross 5 because only once again one row. So that is also another example of row matrix. Now look at the fifth example. Here the number of row is equal to 1, the number of column is equal to 1. So that is a 1 cross 1 ordered matrix. But the number of row 1. So that is also considering as a row matrix. The sixth example, only one row, only one column. So that is another example of row matrix because only one row and the order is 1 cross 1. In the seventh example, already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the number of columns are here 6. So, but the row is only 1. So, that is then the example of 1 cross 6 order of row matrix. The next topic is the column matrix. As usual, like the row matrix. If an m cross n, once again that is for row, that is for column. If n is equal to 1, that means the number of column is equal to 1. The matrix is said to be a column matrix. If a matrix have only one column, then it is called the column matrix. Let's check the examples. The first one, 4, 6, number of rows are 2, but column is only 1. So we may write it as the order of 2 cross 1 and that is the example of a column matrix and that is 2 cross 1. In the second example, number of rows are 3, 1, 2, 3, but look at the number of column, that is only 1. So that is also a column matrix and the order is 3 cross 1. As usual, for the fourth example, number of rows here are 4, but the number of column only 1. So that is also another example of column matrix and the order is 4 cross 1 because 4 number of rows, 1 number of column. Let's check the fourth example. Here the number of rows are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but number of column only 1. So that is also another example of column matrix where we have number of row is equal to 5 and number of column is equal to 1. So the order of the column matrix is 5 cross 1. Now look at the next example. Here that is only one row, only one column. So the matrix has the order 1 cross 1, but only one column, so that is also treated as a column matrix. Next example also as a 1 cross 1, because only one row and only one column. So that is also another example of column matrix of order 1 cross 1. Now we may also say that matrix as a row matrix. Already we have described earlier, and that matrix also we can say as a row matrix. So those example, that means 1 cross 1 type of matrix is particularly the example of row matrix also, and also as the column matrix. Now the next example here, how many number of rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but the number of column only 1. So that is another example of column matrix where we have 6 number of rows and only 1 number of column. So that is the matrix of order 6 cross 1, but that must be a column matrix.